Hi, here is a quick walkthrough of AI-powered predictive maintenance platform that's proven to reduce unplanned downtime and increase equipment life, all without making large changes to the existing systems. I'm logging into the tool now to show you how it works. We start with connecting data sources, of which EAM logs and sensor data are mandatory. It's good to have operational data and historical failure data too if you want improved accuracy. Let me load the demo data now. First dashboard is a descriptive one, an overall snapshot that captures essential metrics for all the connected machines. If you want to share a glimpse of this data, you can use this option and create a summary. See how it's highlighting your machine data, the equipment effectiveness breakdowns happen, as well as possible suggestions too, which anyone can easily understand. The next is the diagnostic dashboard, which shows what went wrong along with the possible reasons and root cause analysis. Much useful if you want to investigate and look into previous failure and breakdown data trend. The third dashboard brings to you predictive insights. Based on the historical data, it projects a failure trend and the remaining life for the selected machines. And then it's prescriptive analytics, which gives you the suggestions to improve the efficiency of machines. Here we apply AI to come up with recommendations. You can see the factors AI has picked up along with the remedy action required. Finally, it is what if analysis. This is a mini simulator where you can play around with controls, that is the machine inputs, and see how it affects the failure probability, useful life, and other maintenance metrics. You can also see the cost implications of failures in the second tab. And here you have the options to download the entire summary as a PDF. All the results vary in real time based on the connected data at the ingestion stage.